up, y'all? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It is Sherry B. I know I might scare y'all or whatever, but I wanted to come on here really quickly and do a quick contour video because y'all not understanding how contour is vital. It's key to a makeup routine. It's almost like needing a coat to go outside in the winter. Like, you're gonna need your coat because it's cold, and you're gonna need your contour because it gives you a face instead of like looking ashy and trashy and casket ready, you know, just like me right now. So let's get into it. Since this is a beginner contour video, I really feel like every beginner should start off with powder. You should start off with powder because powder is you can build up on powder instead of, you know, you going with a liquid or a cream. Those stain quickly. You should also get 2 shades darker than your normal skin color. As you can see, I'm brown, but I need this to be like darker brown. Okay, so usually when I do my contour, I do the 3 method. That's really how I learned how to do it at first. The 3 method is, it's like you drawing like an individual 3 on your face. It starts from the forehead. It starts from the middle of the forehead to your cheekbones, under your cheekbones to your neck. Basically, that's the 3. So I'm really gonna start off. I'm gonna mix these two. I always mix these two together. And also, this is the Kiss Professional Contour Kit. I use this all the time. Like, if you do watch my other makeup videos, you see it all the time. And this is very affordable. I think it's like $6.99 at the hair store, of course. But here we go. I'm going in with a light hand. And I usually start up under my cheekbone. The 3. You see, now we're gonna do the top. When I do contour my forehead, I highlight in the middle. I conceal in the middle of my forehead. I like to just circle it. Now, as you can see, the 3 is forming. So we've hit here under the cheekbones, and now we're gonna do under the neck area. I don't know if you guys can see like good on the camera because I don't have my glasses on, but listen, it's already a difference in the face because over here is no contour, I don't have face structure, but when you do your contour, it gives you immediate face structure, girl. Like, learn this, get it, write it down. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. Since I told y'all to do 3, I'm gonna start at the 3. I'm gonna start at the top lightly. I'm gonna start at the top lightly. Then we're going under the cheekbones. Better already. If you're wondering what kind of brush I use, I do go in with a regular, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but they usually like poofy. They usually poofy, but brushes like with an angle on there. Like, I'm not sure. You see that? Like, this is another brush I use. Now I'm gonna take this small brush right here, and I'm finna do my nose contour. Now all I do is, now look, I'm no professional. Now I'm not professional. This is what I do. I get me a little brush and I take the brown or whatever, and I just start in the middle of my nose. Y'all see it? I try to keep my line as straight as I can, but you know, it depends on the kind of day. Sometimes it comes out right, sometimes it don't. When I don't do eyeshadow, I take my contour, I blend it inwards into my, what is this, my eyelid. tip of my nose. So as you can see, it's looking a little harsh. So I get my finger. Yes, your fingers are tools. And you know, I basically just, you know, go in and smoothing it out. This is also a new beauty blender I'm using. I'm really not used to it. So I don't think I like it. I ain't getting them corners, hitting them corners like I needed to. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. Oh, I did want to try this highlighter and bronzer, holographic highlighter and bronzer by RK Kisses. I saw this in the store the other day, and it was $2.99. Ooh, y'all, it's real liquidy. Like, look at it. You see it? Look at that. I don't even know where I want to put these. I'm scared. Okay, the pigment is definitely there. Put some up right here too. We get her up. Let's hit it with some setting spray. Real cute, simple, sweet, straight to the point. And I really hope you learned how to contour. Like, it really wasn't an in-depth video, but if you got anything from it, then that's all I need. But if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at It's Sherry B. And be sure to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I post. See you guys in the next video. Bye.